How to fix Forza Horizon 6 not loading or opening. First, open the Windows search bar and type Graphics Settings. Click on the Graphics Settings option to open it. Once you're there, click Browse under the Desktop Apps section. Locate your Forza Horizon 6 game executable and add it to the list. After adding the game, it will appear in the Graphics Settings menu. Click on the game entry, select Options, and change the GPU preference from Let Windows Decide to High Performance. Save the changes. Next, make sure optimizations for windowed games is turned off. If this setting is enabled, disable it. Also, if you see Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling at the top of the page, turn that off as well. If the option isn't available on your system, you can skip this step. Now, open Steam and find Forza Horizon 6 inches your library. Right-click the game and select Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to complete the verification process. Once that's done, launch the game and check if the issue has been resolved. If the game still won't open, the final step is to update your graphics drivers. Open either AMD Software, Adrenalin Edition, or NVIDIA GeForce Experience, depending on your graphics card. Check for any available driver updates and install them. If chipset driver updates are available, install those as well. After updating your drivers, restart your PC and try launching the game again. Hopefully, one of these methods fixes the problem. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.